All right, what's good, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. It's a brand new episode. It's Monday, April 4th, and let's get right into it with some of the biggest news we've heard in a while when it comes to all things money. So, Elon Musk takes 9.2% stake in Twitter after hinting at shakeup. So, there were some rumors that Elon Musk was thinking about either investing into a social media platform, which he has shown today, or he was going to make his own. And today, with the big news that came about, was that Elon Musk now is the biggest shareholder of Twitter. So many questions are going to come about now is what is he going to do now that he is the big dog at the table when it comes to Twitter? So let's look at this article right here on Bloomberg that describes some of what led to Elon Musk investing and becoming the biggest shareholder in Twitter. So let's go down the article, and right here it talks about how Elon Musk took 9.2% stake in Twitter to become the platform's biggest shareholder a week after hinting he might shake up the social media industry. Twitter shares surged as much as 27% after Musk's purchase was revealed Monday in regulatory filing. So right when people heard that Elon Musk now is the biggest shareholder of Twitter, people just started buying into the stock. And that's one thing with Elon. Anything Elon does, he has a massive following. Money moves with Elon. And this is incredible. So and the thing with Twitter, it's kind of been stagnant for a while. And now with him coming, he brought so much money with him that people are now getting excited about what is Twitter going to do now with Elon sitting at the table, and he might make some moves that either going to make people happy or it's going to discourage people from the platform. Who knows? But let's read along more on the article. So the gain marked the stock's biggest intraday increase since its first day of trading following the company's 2013 initial public offering. That's crazy that Elon Musk himself today created the biggest gain in Twitter history. So, man, this is crazy how much money that moves with Elon. So tell me what you guys think. Are you guys excited about Elon buying a big portion of Twitter? Let me know in the comments below if you're excited about Elon becoming the biggest shareholder in Twitter, or are you discouraged, or you feel neutral? You just don't know. It's a kind of a wait and see. So let me know in the comments below if you're excited, you're neutral, or you're kind of concerned of how Twitter's going to come about. So let me know in the comments, and also make sure you subscribe so we can comment and get together and and just talk about all things that comes about money. So Musk, who's 50 years old, pulled his more than 80 million followers on Twitter last month, asking them whether the company adheres to the principles of free speech. So a while back, you'll see here that his tweet, after more than 70% said no, he asked whether a new platform was needed, and he said he was giving serious thought to starting his own. So here you see the poll where 70% of the people said that Twitter is not doing anything when it comes to free speech, because there's certain people with certain audience, whether one side of the political spectrum, that are being silenced. And Elon has been an advocate of freedom of speech, where Twitter has been notoriously known to just cancel people. And to me, I like how he wants to encourage freedom of speech. I believe that the greatest minds need to engage in debates and dialogues so that we can get to the truth. And the thing is that once you hear two sides of a story, or many millions of sides, you could come to the own determination of whatever it may be. So, man, this is crazy. And it brings a lot of excitement to what Twitter may become, because ever since the presidential elections, and with Donald Trump being banned, a lot of people just got turned off by it. So hopefully we could get a platform where everyone is being heard, and we engage in dialogue. So let's go along more in the article. So Musk has been one of the biggest personalities on Twitter. The announcement will yet be another major test for the new Twitter CEO, Parag Agrawal. My apologies if I botched that name. I'm horrible at pronouncing people's names. Who replaced Jack Dorsey after he unexpectedly resigned in November. Agrawal vowed to increase accountability, make decisions faster, and to improve product execution. The company set ambitious goals for growth, including increasing annual revenue to 7.5 billion and getting to 315 million daily users by the end of 2023. So that's one thing some people kind of notice, is that with the new CEO, there's been a lot quicker of people being banned and being silenced. So, I wonder how the relationship with Elon's gonna come about, because I don't know the whole framework when it comes to Twitter about sitting on boards and being able to move around the chess pieces to get your people in and create real changes in Twitter. So I'm kind of clueless on that. I'm hoping to, as the more information we get, I can learn about hopefully what maybe Elon's going to do, create some speculation. So Musk posted a cryptic meme in December after Twitter announced that Agrawal was taking over from Dorsey as Twitter's CEO. Is depicted Agrawal as a Soviet dictator to Joseph Stalin, and Dorsey as Soviet Secret Police head Nikolai Yezhov being shoved into the water. So we all know, that's the thing with Elon. He has a sense of humor, which is great. That some people get a good kick out of it, and you know what? It pisses some people off. So I kind of like the humor. I like seeing people try to be funny, and it's good to see billionaires have a sense of humor, and he's such a great personality too, because remember, he's one of the pioneers when it comes to some of the crypto. So what is crypto now going to do with Twitter? Is he going to push for integration of the technology that comes with blockchain, with NFTs, with being able to just move money on Twitter in some sort of fashion? So it's a lot of excitement coming to the Twitter world. So it's unclear what Musk is planning with this state. The following was the SEC shows that the date of the event that triggered the disclosure was March 14th. The type of form used often indicates the investor isn't seeking to acquire control of a company or to influence who controls it. Musk, already the world's richest person according to Bloomberg's billionaires index, has made about 1.1 billion on his holdings since mid-March. So ever since of mid-March of what was it, the 14th, he made 1.1 billion on his investment based on the Twitter shares of how much it exploded today. Man, that's crazy. 1.1 billion come up by Elon Musk. Man, this is everything this guy touches just becomes money. So while Twitter has grown steadily for years, its stocks have lagged behind the industry peers. And that's what I was saying before, is that you see other social media giants like TikTok have just exploded, where Twitter's been stagnant ever since the whole divisiveness of the politics of the last election, where one side is getting silenced versus the other, and whether you agree with it or disagree with it, that's whatever. We're talking about money right now. It's that Elon Musk now has, because of him just investing in it and becoming the biggest stock shareholder, has added so much. He's increased the revenue for Twitter stocks, and he's come up 1.1 billion. So let me know in the comments below if you're excited about Elon, if you're neutral, if you don't care, are you even on Twitter, and if you are kind of discouraged by it. So let me know in the comments. This is Money Moves. This is Monday, April the 4th. Thank you for joining me, and let's wait and see what Elon Musk, or if he does anything with Twitter. So thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, follow. Right on. Peace.